What's going on? It's your boy Jay with Shooter Touch Films, and I'm back with another one. What's good, man? We finna tap into my other world, my other lane. You know what I'm saying? Where, I am obsessed with colognes and fragrances and just smelling good. My channel or my page, all that is gonna be drones, music, and fragrances. So man, y'all make sure y'all tap in. I'm one of the ones that like to, spend my money wisely. And I'm a firm believer of just because it's high ticketed, that don't mean they got the best fragrance or the best smell. I'm pretty sure that y'all been seeing, everybody been seeing the ads for Yom and Layle. When you go to seeing stuff too much, when you go to seeing stuff all the time, it's no doubt about it, you gonna tap in. So Yom and Layle, man, we gonna discuss Yom and Layle in a few videos. I ended up ordering 4 bottles. I ended up hopping on their holiday special where you could get the 100 millimeter, 100 mil bottle for like 50, 64. I think the most was like 64. I ordered 4 bottles, man. They all dupes or remixes of top brands. Today we're gonna go over Elm Street. Elm Street is a remix of Bond Number 9's Lafayette Street. Now definitely about to try this out. We gonna smell, we gonna atomize it and everything. But I'm excited. I was surprised that they, gave 2 samples. We gonna go ahead and open Yom and Layle's Elm Street. Again, this is inspired by. Ooh, boy, this bottle nice, boy. Look how good this bottle look, man. Ooh, yes sir, yes sir. Nice glass on them. This look real good, man. Great presentation, great presentation. We're gonna do a strip test. I can't lie, man. I'm very excited, especially again from what I smelled earlier, man. So let's go ahead and do a atomizer. See how that thing spray. Ooh. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Boy, from what I remember of Lafayette Street, oh yeah, boy, this dead on. This is dead on. Wow. Wow. Yom and Layle. Wow. No lie. We gonna go ahead and spray it on skin, man. Sheesh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, man. This for the 50? Come on, man. Wow. Oh yeah, I'm definitely excited over them other ones. I can't lie. Yom and Lil, boy, hey, you got 4 from me, but man, listen, you definitely gonna be getting some more of my bread. I can't lie. I can't lie. I can't lie. Boy, this bitch spot on, boy. It definitely done took me to Lafayette Street, Elm Street, man. Y'all tighten up, boy. Tighten up, y'all and Lil, man. Hey, you ain't gotta spend the 350 or 300. So in Elm Street, you do get the bergamot, coriander, apple, vanilla, dry wood, and tonka beans. And boy, I smell every bit of that. I'm impressed. And it's just the first bottle. Well, really, third. But the first one that I've smelled before. Wow. Hey, listen. I'm one of the ones that like to, spend my money wisely. And I'm a firm believer of just because it's high ticketed, that don't mean they got the best fragrance or the best smell. I'm every category guy, but if I could find a good dupe, I'm gonna spend my money on that dupe. And man, that is spot on, bro. Wow. But Lafayette Street and Yom Layle, oh man, yes sir. Hey, if you go to Yom Layle, man, I hope y'all see this. Tell them that your boy Shooter Touch Spiff sent you, man. Hey, oh shit, boy. I'm speechless. I'm happy with my purchase. Again, I'm ready to smell them. I'm ready to smell them. Hey, tap in with Yom and Layle, man. I promise you won't be disappointed. I had a good feeling coming in after purchasing these that I was, you know what I'm saying, going wasn't gonna be left disappointed. That's all I'm gonna say, and I'm not. First bottle, definitely a 10 out of 10 on the remix. So, if y'all want more videos, man, if you want more videos and you like this video, make sure you comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe. We got plenty more on the way, I'm telling you. I'm going to give y'all what's in my bag or what's in or what I'm smelling like. You know what I'm saying? But, yes, sir. Elm Street. Y'all go get it, man. Save you some money. Lafayette Street, a.k.a. No, Elm Street, a.k.a. Lafayette Street. Banger, for sure.